Wrestler The Undertaker. WWE calls him the Last Outlaw. And it's kind of true, too. I mean, this guy is the last remnant of at least 4 or 5 eras in the WWE, starting with the Golden Era, and that was the era of the Ultimate Warrior and Hulk Hogan. Shows you how far back this dude goes. But I was thinking about that the other day, and, well, I decided to make kind of a burger inspired by the Last Outlaw, The Undertaker. Okay, the first thing we got to do for this here burger is make the Jack Daniels barbecue sauce. Now, if you know anything about Mark Calloway, the guy that plays The Undertaker, huge Jack Daniels fan. So, what I got here heating over about medium heat is a tablespoon of olive oil and about a 1/4 cup of onions. You want to saute this till the onions are translucent. Okay, they're not entirely translucent yet, but you can kind of see they're getting ready to go. Now you want to add 2 cloves of garlic minced and turn the heat down. Why? Again, burnt garlic tastes like shit. So you want to give this about another minute or so. Just let the garlic get a little toasty. Just a little toasty. Okay, now things are going to start happening in rapid succession. You want to get a 1.5 cups of ketchup, a 1/2 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a teaspoon of AC vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, salt and pepper to taste, tasting as you go, a 1/4 teaspoon to a 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, depending on how hot you like it, and of course, a 1/4 cup of bourbon. That's about what I put in. I just eyeballed a shot. And if you want a little bit stronger bourbon flavor, then feel free to do that. Give this a bit of a stir around. You won't need to have it on the heat very long. Just kind of pour it in a container and let it chill out in the fridge for a bit. Next step. All right, so for the only WWE wrestler that transcends the word legend, you need a big fucking burger. This is a 1/2 pound patty of 80/20, or as it's also known, ground chuck, and I'm using my seasoning blend of all-purpose. And you want to cook this till it's 160 in the center. If you did grind the meat yourself, you could certainly go to somewhere north of medium if you want. But yeah, this will take a while too. It's a big ass burger, so I forgot how long it took me to cook mine. I think at least 4 or 5 minutes aside, so maybe even 6 minutes. You'll just keep a meat thermometer handy. It'll help. Okay, through the magic of cooking show editing, the burger patty is done. Also, don't forget to toast up a couple of buns. And now we're going to add the cheese, and this is a combo of pepper jack, Swiss, and Monterey. So, get a lid on of some sort to create some steam. Throw a little water in there, and we should be ready in literally 30 seconds. All right, let's move to the final step. Okay, now let's start assembling the burger. First, we're going to create a nice little bed of iceberg lettuce. It's the only lettuce worthy of a burger. Then we're going to put on that big old fucking patty. I'm spreading the Jack Daniels barbecue sauce on the top bun. But we got a shit ton of fixins for this burger. A shit ton of fixins. Got some pickles, because burgers without pickles are fucking garbage. If you get a burger without a pickle on it, either throw it at the waitress or kick the kitchen door open and throw it at the chef. Here we got some French's fried onions, some fried salamis, and, of course, good old-fashioned makes everything in the universe better, bacon. And I'm just going to scoot off here to get myself some freshly sliced tomatoes. And that's it. That's a burger worthy of the Last Outlaw on the WWE, The Undertaker.